Okay, so let's go over this metric system chart. You're going to find this in your STAR packet, and you're going to find this as in part of your reference sheet. The thing that's it's the document that we have wrapped in plastic sleeve. Should be at the front of your binder. This is the reference we're going to be using now for Module 1, Lesson 4. So if we look here, we have a beautiful little sentence here, and we had Noah point out that if we call him Hector, it might make it a little bit more efficient to then remember that this is a hecto. But King Henry doesn't usually drink chocolate milk. This is a sentence to help you remember all these place values. So the unit in this case for today's work is actually the meter. And this is the ones place when we're dealing with our place value chart. Here in the tenths place, we have what is called a decimeter. In the hundredths place, we have what is called a centimeter. And here in the thousandths place, we have a millimeter. Now, there are abbreviations for these. For instance, you might see a meter abbreviated as an M, a decimeter as a DM, centimeter, and millimeter. And these are their abbreviations you're going to see in the homework. We also have our larger units. This is a decameter. This is a hectometer. And this one you might be a little bit more familiar with, a kilometer, although we can also say kilometer. So this is abbreviated as a km. Now, hectometer and decameters, I have seen different ways to abbreviate them. Decameter can be a DCM. I've also seen it as a DAM. Hectometer, I've seen it as an HM. So these are the abbreviations we'll see. To continue, if this is the ones place, here's the decimal. This would be the tens, which means here are the hundreds, and here are the thousands. Now I think we have enough information to get going. We're going to focus on meters here, being this unit, but later we'll also be talking about grams and liters. So we'll add to the chart. So this is where we want to begin. Remember, this is where the decimal is. So we're still going to be using our place value. What's really great about this chart is I'm going to tell us to trust it. It tells you that when you are moving from this unit, meters, to decimeters, you're going to multiply by 10. So anytime you're moving this way, you're going to multiply by 10 for each place value you're shifting. So if we're going from meters to centimeters, you're going to multiply by 10 twice. Each time you're going this way, we're going to divide by 10. So if I'm going from centimeters to decimeters, I'm going to divide by 10. If I'm going from centimeters to meters, I will divide by 10 twice.